Hello, I'm Angeline Ong and welcome to your look ahead to Thursday, the 25th of January. Now, looking at Germany first because we have business morale data coming out from there. This is the IFO expectations for January, 86.7 after a reading of 86.4 in December. The big one to look out for in terms of a risk event is the European Central Bank interest rate decision, where the main refinancing rate is expected to remain at 4.5%. The deposit facility rate is forecast to stay at 4%. And if you want further analysis, just showing you the euro versus the yen chart there. If you want further analysis, do look up Chris Beecham's analysis on this on the IG platform called Caution to Prevail, as the bank is expected to leave rates unchanged. So it's what the bank says rather than what it does. And the ECB, ahead of the meeting, has already flagged concerns that sticky inflation has not quite eased as much and as fast as they would have liked. So any signs that perhaps inflation could be coming back in could also potentially lift the euro versus currencies like the yen. In the US, the big one after PMIs is the GDP growth rate. This is for Q4. We've also got durable goods orders there, initial jobless claims, and new home sales as well. Just showing you the dollar index there, because this is very much tied to what the Fed and the expectations of the timing of a first rate cut. However, it has to be said that because of the strong data coming out from the US economy, those expectations have been dialed back somewhat from an expected March rate cut. Further along the session, we've got earnings as well to look out for out of the UK. We've got Halfords, Britvic, Fevertree out early in the session. We also have numbers out of the tech sector. Intel, one of the biggest challenges in this space, especially for AI. Intel, whatever it says about AI, PC chips, that will be pounced upon, because Intel currently says it is going to launch automotive versions of its newest AI-enabled chips. Now, why this is interesting, just showing you the chart here, is that by saying this, it then takes on Qualcomm and NVIDIA, titans in this space, the semiconductor space that can power the brains of future cars. And a little later on, we also have American Airlines out with earnings. American, a key one to watch out for, especially as it's all sessions on the IG platform. And also because we want to know what American Airlines says about the hit from the Boeing issues. United Airlines, a peer of Americans earlier on in the month, said that it saw stronger profit in 2024. That's despite a hit from the Boeing MAX 9 grounding. And broadening it out from there, Visa is the one to look out for if you want a more macro, broader view of what other sectors are doing in general. Visa's fourth quarter earnings gives us a bird's eye view of how other industries are faring. And that's it for now. For more market moving news, I'll be back on Beat the Street at 13:30 London time to give you a heads up to the US trading day. And IG's Jeremy Naylor will be on at 7:30 on Early Morning Call ahead of the European trading session. Follow me on Twitter at Angeline Ong and at IGCom. This is IGTV.